How to watch live football on YouTube TV with Apple TV. Step number 1, set up your Apple TV. Ensure your Apple TV is connected to your TV and powered on. Connect your Apple TV to a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step number 2, install the YouTube TV app. Open the App Store on your Apple TV. Use the search bar to look up YouTube TV. Select the app and click download to install it on your Apple TV. Step number 3, sign in to YouTube TV. Open the YouTube TV app on your Apple TV. Select sign in and follow one of these methods. Enter login credentials. Enter your Google account, email, and password. Activate via code. Go to tv.youtube.com/start on your phone or computer. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Step number 4, navigate to live sports content. Once signed in, go to the live tab in the YouTube TV app. Scroll through the channel guide to find live football games on channels such as ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and the NFL Network. Step number 5, search for specific games or teams. Use the search feature in the app to look up specific leagues, teams, or games. Select the desired game to start watching. Step number 6, record games for later. To record a live football game, select the game and click the plus icon. Recorded games will be saved in the library section for on-demand viewing. Step number 7, optimize viewing experience. Use the Apple TV remote to adjust playback settings such as volume, pause and play, and full screen mode. Ensure your internet connection speed is at least 7 megabytes per second for HD streaming.